What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Justina, and I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. Okay, OOTD, Ariana. Hold on. Guys, I've been doing all types of TikToks and dances and shit, so this is not... My outfit and hair is already all messed up, but it's okay. So, but y'all asked for this video, so I'm gonna give it to you. But this is the OOTD. Yes. Okay, no, but for real, we're gonna... Ooh, hold on there. Wait a minute, okay, what's good, my Mooka Bits? It's your girl Christine. I'm back with another video. Hey. All right, so y'all want to know how not to be nervous for a sneaky link or a new link or whatever, the first link now, okay? Your girl Justina, I'm never really nervous. And it doesn't matter how fine, how rich, how well known, like... Yeah, but you use your mind, okay? I've had some of the most intimidating men you can think of in my room, okay? And every single time, like, I don't know. I'm not intimidated. I'm not scared. I'm not nervous. The whole time I'm looking at them, I'm like, I'm going to chew you apart and spit you the fuck out. Like, and they love that shit, you know? And I even be looking at them like that, too. And they get nervous. Like, if I tell y'all some of the names of some of the people that I have been in rooms with, men, that I've been, and yes, well known. But I ain't gonna say nothing because, you know, P. But anyway, like, y'all would be surprised, okay? All I'm saying is it does not matter the caliber of the man, okay? Justina don't fold. They do. Yes, I have made some... men fold, nervous, break eye contact. And it's some of the most sexiest men that you've seen on your screen. Crazy, right? But anyway, and again, I ain't gonna say who because we keeping it P. But, so this is a foolproof method, okay? This cannot go wrong of how not to be nervous when a sneaky link is coming over or the first time you're gonna hook up or a situationship or whatever the case may motherfucking be, okay? So now, first things first, okay? What you think is what it's gonna be. Hold on. We're going to say that again. What you think is what it's going to be. All right? So, if you're all nervous and oh my God, what if he... okay, girl, you got to get rid of all that. Oh my God, what if he... No, baby, no. Be confident. There's no what if he... Okay, you need to have them think, oh my God, what if she turned me out? Like, what if she really slut me out? Like, what if she gives me the best sex I've ever fucking had and then dubs me? What if she's the most sensual, energy, sucking, beautiful, loving, voluptuous woman that I've ever put my in? Mindset, guys! Mindset keeps it going. Okay, so now, first of all, the one thing that helps me, if you don't have this, it's okay. Confidence, right? Because I'm just like, no, I'm not worried about what they're going to do to me. They better be worried about what I'm going to do to them. And most men usually are, you know? Like, they're always nervous before they get in my bedroom because they don't know what I'm going to do to them. Because it's always going to be something they've never had done before. Yeah. Anyway, so you need to walk in with that mindset, right? Like, you need to stop even thinking that because you're programming your head. You're getting your mind used to shit. Stop with the bad thoughts because your thoughts become your fucking reality. Remember that? Power of the tongue. Okay, amen. All right, no, but for real, like... for real, like, so when a man is, let's say I have a man coming over. Let's say this man is someone y'all seen on TV so many times. Gorgeous. Tall, light-skinned, handsome, long hair, tattoos. Fine! Yeah. Anyway, so instead of sitting there, like before when I was like, you know, a little bit younger, I guess, I was just like, oh my God, like what if he really let me out? Like, what if he really makes his memory and I can't get him off my mind? What if he's kicking somebody out? No, all that shit went. I haven't thought like that in years, bitch. I can't even tell you. Like, so the first thoughts that come into my mind, right? It's just like, okay, how am I going to slut him out? How am I going to make my memory? How am I going to feel all soft? How am I going to smell all good? How am I going to sound all good? What things can I say that he's going to be replaying in his head over and over and over? Granted, I put a spell on my moan and the stuff that I say. So when me and a man is being intimate, that's when it's activated. Anyway, when me and a man is being intimate, oh baby, they remember everything I fucking say. How I sound, how everything, bitch. Yay. But anyway, you could do this even without putting a spell on your moan. If y'all want to know how to do that, let me know. That man's gonna replay your moan in his head like a song. But anyway, so yeah, I'm like, okay, so how can I, right? Like, I'm not worried and questioning about what they're gonna do to me. No, I'm sitting here and replaying what I'm gonna do to him. So before your link, boom, replaying your head, okay, what am I gonna do to him? How am I gonna turn him the fuck out? How am I gonna, boom, okay? So then you don't even have time to be worrying about what he's gonna do to you. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, another thing not to be nervous before, take a shot. Take a shot, seriously. And another thing is put on some sexy ass music as you're getting ready. That's a whole ritual, baby. That is a whole ritual, okay? Put in some sexy woman dominating music on. Sexy Janae. Sexy, okay? Chris Brown. Sexy. Okay, so I'll put my sexy music on. Boom. Ritual starts. You can call it a ritual, whatever. Everything's a fucking ritual. Happy birthday song. Everybody standing in the corner fucking blowing out some candles. That everything. Anyway, so music on, boom. Then go take a shower, shave. While you're doing all that, think of what you want to do to him. Think of how you want him to view you as soon as he steps outside your door. Do that. While you're putting your lotion on, think like, oh my God, he's gonna feel my body and he's gonna think it's so soft. Boom. Okay. Perfume as you're spraying it. Oh my God, he's gonna smell me and he's gonna like, his dick gonna get hard because I smell so fucking good. Boom. Okay. Again, these are kind of like ritualistic things, whatever. Okay. If you're not into that stuff, I'm not saying like witchcraft. No, that's not what I'm saying. Everything we do is ritual. Again, example, happy birthday songs. Everything's a ritual. From you to leaving your apartment, getting in your car, turning it on. It's ritual. You do it every time you gotta drive. That's what ritual is. Anyway, so, yeah. Okay, so when you're getting ready, when you're doing your hair, right? Sit there and be like, he probably gonna pull this the fuck off because he can't contain his energetic urges. And that happens! Yo, I swear to God, everything that I say, yo, niggas be thinking like, no, everything that you said, everything that you did, bitch, it's me, not you. It's me, nigga. It's me, nigga. Anyway, all right, so all right, so boom. So then, boom, you're ready, okay? Now, when he gets into your presence, everything that you're already thinking and saying and putting into you, boom, is gonna happen. Now, sex is also a ritual, okay? Mentally, you need to think of what you want, right? So, think about attributes of this person that you want from them. Okay, boom, energy. Again, you're not worried about them, you, and no, you're worried about what they are going to offer you, you know? Because, like, yo, I don't know if y'all know this, but sex is very energetic, okay? Like, and a lot of the times, women don't understand. Women are taught to be ashamed of sex, and ashamed of what they want and what they like and stuff like that. Why? Because when we actually tap into it, we know how fucking powerful it is, and we know how powerful we are. That's why there are some women who's chasing down a fucking man, crying, blowing up his phone, and he will never, ever fuck it. He doesn't even think about her. And then there's the total opposite. Stalkers, niggas blowing up the phones, no caller ID. What are you doing? You think that's an accident? No. It's energy. It's your mind. Get control over your fucking mind. Because once you get control over your mind, you get control over every fucking thing. Okay? But anyway, so, yeah, sex is a ritual, right? And a lot of the times, women are pillow princesses. Laid down, they let the men dominate. They let the men do the pleasing. Bitch, not over here. No. I am the total opposite. Like, yeah, I'll submit a little bit, but, okay, like, I'm back to dominating. Because when you dominate, right, you're taking power over. Okay? The person, their energy, everything. Yeah. Y'all want to know? Yo, there's a lot of shit I be doing to these niggas to get them crazy over me. Like, a lot. And they never know. Because for them, it's such a basic thing. They're like, oh, yeah, no, she's just good. Oh, no, baby. It's so much deeper than me being good in bed. Okay? Anyway, so, yes, while you're having sex with them, thinking, be like, ooh, this person's really, like, this person's rich. This person's really motivated. This person, think about that while they're picking you. Those are some of the qualities you would get. But anyway, men do that with women too. When they're fucking you and they're like, oh, whose pussy is this? Guess what that is? Okay. You know, like, y'all gotta just pay attention. But anyway, another way not to be nervous is just know that the men are just as nervous as you. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of the times when women are nervous, it's just because it's just like, oh my God, what if he da-da-da-da-da, and all these negative thoughts that they put into their own mind is popping up in their head. Get rid of those, baby. Get rid of those, because they're not real. Let me tell you something. Like, the things that we point out about ourselves, nobody fucking really notices. I'm telling you right the fuck now. Nobody notices. And if they do, they're picking you apart because they pick themselves apart. So again, it's projection, got nothing to do with you. Yeah, also, while you're getting ready, drink a little bit, take a shot. That's where I started off, right? Take a little shot, okay? The music, the little shot, boom. The little shot, it kind of loosens you up. It gets things going, okay? And also, another thing that I noticed, so, like, when I have somebody over, right, I always have, like, a bottle or something. We're always getting a little turn. Smoke, like, we always doing both, right? Because it's just, like, liquor loosens up the soul, which is not a good thing. But anyway, it relaxes you, right? So before you're even getting nervous, you're gonna be like, oh, please, we finna be drunk in 20 motherfucking minutes. Like, none of this shit ain't even gonna matter. I'm not even gonna be nervous in 20 motherfucking minutes. Why the nigga finna take over? Honestly, dead ass. And then, like, if I have a nigga come over, I'm like, oh, you like to drink? Bet, come on, let's take shots. And I'm really small, they're big, so I'm like, okay, so you get doubles for every single of mine. And then the water, the food, I make sure, you know, they're good and stuff like that, because I don't want no nigga throwing up all over my house. That's happened to me. Well, he didn't throw up all over my house. He threw up in my toilet, but... Anyway, so, no, that's happened to me more than once. Oh, y'all niggas can't handle y'all liquor. Okay, anyway, so, my bad. But, so, yeah, like, there's nothing to even be nervous about, because y'all both gonna be lit and turned. Now, music, also, music. Have some music on. You gotta set the vibe. Like, I'll do the music. Like, I'll turn the big lights off, put the little lights on, like, liquor nights. And again, get out your head. They're not as nervous. Because men are chill. You know what I'm saying? They're not really, well, okay, no, that's fucking cap. We think that they're fucking chill. They are really good at suppressing and acting nonchalant. These niggas ain't nonchalant. It's an act, hence acting. They're not like that. They're not like that. The truth is in the fucking saying. But, yeah, so liquor, take a little shot, do a little ritual, say everything while you're getting ready and stuff like that. That's going to set it in stone. And don't sit there and be all insecure in your head. Oh, how can I? No. What if he? No, there's none of that. What if you? Okay, it's all about perspective, guys. It's all about perspective. Once you control your mind, control your perspective, everything else falls into line. Go into the chapel and wear... I'm obsessed with that motherfucking song. It's called Blue Sky. Go listen to it. Oh my God. Like, the fuck? Okay, but... Okay, let me see. I did not fart. That's my chair. Please don't piss me off. If I did, though, I would laugh. Okay. No, but, okay, what other... But yeah, like, chill. Confidence is key. The more confident you are in yourself, the less nervous you are. Now, I mean, of course, there's also a little regular nerves because this is a new person. This is a new energy. You don't know what type of vibe they're going to bring. You don't know if y'all going to click. You don't know if a bitch going to start blowing up their phone while he with you. You don't know, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But again, go into the situation with some positivity, you know, instead of being like, oh my God, what if we don't vibe? No, just be like, okay, we're gonna vibe, let's listen to some music, we're gonna drink, you know. Everybody vibe after a couple shots. That's not true. Some people act a fool when they drink. I ain't gonna do that. Just don't even do that. If you already know that you like that, just don't do that. Okay, but anyway, yeah, and those are the little some of the little things. If y'all want me to do a part 2, let me know down in the comments. Is there any drama? No, there's not. I want to make gumbo today, bitch, but it's hot. Like, I don't want to do that. Like, okay, let me stop being dramatic. It ain't even that deep. But it's hot. Like, all right, let me calm down. Ow, my toe. Okay, I'm sorry. Go into the chapel and we're gonna get me so horny. You know, Amaka Haya Ding Ding is dick in Chinese. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, if y'all want a part 2, just let me know, okay? Just know that the key is confidence. The key is your mindset, and that sets the tone. Just know they're just as nervous as you. Don't worry about what they're going to do. You worry about what you're going to do to them. Because you that bitch. I'm going to have to... Am I going to... Oh, no, that's fine. I shouldn't have to edit that out. We going to see. I don't know. I love y'all, my Muka Buzz. And I'll see y'all in my next video.